Hello, this is Michael Loftus. Today, we're going to talk about how to do videos inexpensively, quickly, without a production team. So stay tuned. We're going to discuss this and much more. Hello, this is Michael Loftus for Loftus Coaching and Consulting. And also marketing. But today, we're going to talk about technology and a little bit of marketing. As I've gone around and traveled, talk about social media, how to advertise, how to put that in your game plan, and videos. I love videos. Now, I have a studio here, got a lot of cool stuff. We have an intern here that definitely helps us with production. But there's times I want to do something quick, or if you're not ready to make that investment, this is a great way to get started. You can use the camera I have right here, C920, $50. I have another microphone over here. You could go from $50 to $100, and that's it. You're up and running doing videos. Now, you need good software. So what I recommend is Ecamm, which is here on the screen, $79. That's it. Have a link below for that, and that includes lifetime updates. So think about it. You're by yourself. You want to set up a video, get your topics. How do you do it? How do you seamlessly transition, include those disclosures, and upload it to compliance? Well, let me show you how easy it is. First off, right now, I am recording my desktop here. So you look, here's the screen. But over here, okay, you have scenes. A scene is like a production, a movie, right? What's in a scene? You have people, music, you have all these different things, right? So in this case, I've set up different scenes. Opening, my bumper, which is the music and video that you saw at the beginning there. Today's topics, okay? These are all those scenes. Now in each scenes, you need something to be part of it. It could be people, could be music, of course audio, and also, of course, images. So to give you a quick idea, here's a scene, just me sitting here talking. Okay, now I'm talking here right now. This is very easy to do. Now in this case, I recommend using .png files because they are transparent. So you grab an image and you just drop it onto your scene, and there you go. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you can drag it around, you can put it wherever you want, or you can exit out, okay? But you set that up, and now that scene's ready to go. So for me, I go intro and topics. Today we're going to talk about what? Videos on the fly using Ecamm. Very easy to do. I can bring in my bumper. You have the ability to bring in Skype if you want to have a speaker come in. So all of these transitions, you're seeing me doing it right now, right? There's a transition. There's a transition. That's not a transition because I am missing the file. Now, a couple things. You can look down here and you see I'm using a Mac, so it has the command, okay, +5. So that's how you would switch each of these scenes as you go forward, okay? Very simple to do. You also have the ability to switch scenes by going up here, okay, and switching this way manually. Now, I don't want to take my eyes off the camera, so that gets a little bit difficult. I use a product called Elgato Stream Deck. This is for gamers. All right, I'll have a link below on where to get that on my website, but it's very easy to do. You basically just set up the hotkeys, is what it calls, so that command 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm looking at the camera, and I don't have to worry about it because I can switch my scenes that easily. So what else am I missing here? One, you have to be prepared. Set up your scenes, get those images, go through. I don't have it here right now, but I could probably find it. When you're done, you go ahead and you drop in your disclosures, and at the same time, you can record your screen, which you see right here. You can record, okay? And as you see here, this product can also be used to go live. You can go direct to Facebook Live, YouTube Live, Twitch, Periscope, or in my case, I use restream. I'll have information on that below, but that allows me to go to restream, and restream sends it out to everybody at once. So I can be live on 4 platforms at once. So what do we got here? Easy to use, inexpensive. The images you're going to have to get done. We do it here internally, of course, with our folks that we work with. You got to find somebody to do that, but easy, inexpensive, get it done, upload compliance, you're done. Hopefully you found this video of value. If you have, please do consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. Michael Loftus, Loftus Coaching, Consulting, and